Everything you've been taught before is remove it. Oh. Dude, I've been doing it wrong. You guys. Push, 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 push. What? Wrap it around, wrap it through. It just does something weird. What am I doing? I've had way too much sugar. Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. It's me, Carol. Basket, here.
Callan the leopard got
no, you.
cups of... Hi, Alejandro. We're bored. Quarantine kills us.
Look, you're either obsessed with TikTok or you hate it. Comment below who you are. And you, my friends, welcome to the dark side. ASMR Natalie, about to show you some weird TikToks. So we're gonna start with the wild one. We're gonna be taking an instant sun tanner. All right, hold on, I have to read my notes, sorry guys. Apparently on TikTok, there's been a whole trend where girls are tinting their eyebrows and men's hair products. This creator decided to do it with the fake tan. This creator is called TikTok Teenagers. Okay. Pretty much it's a natural DIY way to tint your eyebrows at home. We all know we are growing in places we shouldn't be, and all of our workers, our wax lady, our hair cutters, everything is just, we gotta do it ourselves. I'm gonna be cutting my husband's hair on the vlog, so stay tuned for that. That should be very interesting. Let's get it going. Somebody come get her. You saw her dancing like a strip. Somebody come get her. Oh, that's way too much. What am I doing? When you watch too much TikTok. I've never actually used self-tanner, so this should be interesting. Little angle brush. This is not really an angle brush, but we're just doing that. Ratchet up in here. Okay. It smells so good. Ooh, yes. I don't even know if this is adding any product. Oh wait, I see it. Is that gonna look orange? I already hate the color. I am highly concerned. Not only am I doing this while it's shooting a TikTok, but this looks so orange. This looks bad. So bad. Guys, what am I doing with my life? Hers looks way better than mine. She cleaned it up with a Q-tip. I don't think I need to clean it up. She's gonna brush them out. Color is just not right. She ended up cleaning it with a Q-tip, but I'm just winging it. It's quarantine, baby. Why does it look orange? Oh no, I'm gonna look like Donald Trump. So apparently she left it on for an hour. I'm gonna leave this on. It doesn't look too bad. Like, honestly, if this were the way my brows look, I'd be okay. I'm gonna wait 1 hour. Let's do the next TikTok. Are you guys ready for the reveal of the brows? I'm just taking a little pad with my micellar water. I'm gonna go in and it's coming off. Still looks like it's on. It looks a little tinted, actually. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment, let me know. I don't know if this worked. It seemed like it all came off. I actually ended up leaving it on for 3 hours, like she said. I mean, I don't know. I feel like I see a little bit of a tint. This one is really dumb. Let me explain. I don't know if you guys watch my life-changing beauty tips video. You should. It's this one right here. I ended up doing this instant facelift. Here's an example of what that looks like. That worked. So I saw this crazy thing, how you can pretty much give yourself like these cool cheekbones. We're gonna try that out. Thought it might work. Comment below if you think it's gonna be a whoop, a poop, or maybe baby. You just push down really hard. Push, 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 push. What? I just lost the 10 pounds I gained in quarantine. What the heck? That was like instant. That didn't last long. Dude, that worked. Let's try that again. Go right here. Squish, 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 squishity, squish, squish. And you let go. You could literally take an incredible selfie. Oops, I just burped. Dude, what? I'm gonna take a picture. Should I put a filter? I think I should. The girl needs a filter right now. Okay, 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 okay. Should we do my filter? I don't know if you guys have tried this filter. It's thebomb.com. Squish really hard. That hurts. Damn it, I didn't even do it right. I think you have to do no filter. We gotta see your real face, people. So there's that. We're gonna squish, 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 squish. Oh, you're supposed to push up. Then we're gonna take a quick ass selfie. I feel like this is a poop because, well, that's how I feel about this one. Below. This one is crazy. Everything you've been taught before is just remove it. So we're not starting with foundation, then powder. Right, no, we're doing it backwards. We're starting with moisturizer, translucent powder, setting spray, then you add your primer, then you add your foundation. This makes your foundation look amazing. It doesn't crease and it lasts all day. We shall see, people. I'm going moisturize. I am running out of everything. Wow, my dog's hairs. I swear I'm clean. Isn't it nice to be hanging out during quarantine like that? I can't wait to go back home to Orlando. I'm So sad. Here in LA, can you guys believe my Instacart is gonna take till Saturday to arrive? It's 7 days out. When I ordered it in Orlando for my parents, it only took them 2 hours. We're living out here. But in all seriousness, I hope that you guys are staying safe, that you are well. I hope that you're with family. Feel lonely, scared, afraid. Trust me, we're all feeling some kind of sort of anxiety. If you need anyone to talk to me, call me, text me, whatever you want. Just reach out to a friend. Also, for more positive and good feel content, check out my Instagram. I'm posting a bunch of really cute things. I posted these really cute PDFs. And also my vlog channel. We do some weird stuff in there. You guys really enjoyed it, so. Moisturizer on. Next, translucent powder. This is weird. I just moisturized, so why would I put some translucent powder on top? But we're gonna do what it says. Powdered up. Oh, it's in my eye. Translucent powder on. Setting spray. Check. Let it dry. Quarantine season. Now we're gonna do the weirdest thing. We're gonna add our primer after everything we just did. This is the weird part. I feel like I'm gonna be smearing everything. Gotta cover those pores. My nose, smile line. Whoa, that feels soft. Oh my, it already feels different. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I wish you guys could feel my face. It's softer than a baby's bottom. Oh man, this is amazing. Now we're gonna add the foundation. We are starting with an incredible base. I think what this does is it creates a seamless base. Makes sense. I'm impressed. I apologize in advance. It's not the color of my skin. I've had way too much sugar. I've been on TikTok too much, that's the reason. I laughed so freaking hard at all of the vlogs comments because yes, quarantine has made me do some crazy content. Oh my God, dude. I've been doing it wrong. Oh. This feels so different. I've lost years of life right here. Covers it all. If this really is better, I'm gonna change up my whole routine every single day. This is amazing. I think this primer's old. Ugh, I'm pretty sure it's old. I'm gonna test out if it lasts all day though. That's what I wanna know. Like a ratchet quarantine makeup tutorial. I think I've ever learned. You guys wanna see more ASMR videos? I've seen your comments. A lot of you like my ASMR. Do I know why? No, but is it gratifying that you like it? Yes. Let's do more ASMR. Leave me in the comments. Whoa, this is amazing. Doesn't match me, but that's okay. A little bit of powder because this is not the color of my skin. Yeah, it's so pretty. You guys, I don't think I've seen my skin this good since I was 18. All right, let's finish this up. You guys, look at me. Seriously, take a look. My skin looks so porcelain. That's a word. It looks so good. I'm changing this up. Go do this hack. It's absolutely a whoop for me. I love it. This one is wild. And here is a hair hack. I love my hair hacks. No. Okay, so a lot of us probably know how to curl our hair with one of these, but there's so many different things that could go wrong. This hack is almost like a guaranteed hair hack. So check it out. This is what you do. Well, I've never done this before, so we're about to do it together. I'm gonna start here. You take this, wrap it around, wrap it through, and then you literally pull. Any of you ever done it this way? I'm very curious. I don't just fry my hair. What? Dude, it's like the prettiest voluminous curl. Okay, sorry. This might be interesting. Here we go. This will not look good, I have a feeling. But let's do it anyway. My hair is so short. It just does something weird there. I feel like George Washington. What the hell? Okay, there we go. You just gotta twist it. This is like a blowout at home. Dude, what? Oh, I did it wrong. I feel like you almost like burn your hair more that way. So get it around, go like that. Okay, don't get scared, people. Let's just finish her off. Let's see. Like that, and like that. Oh my God. I'm kind of obsessed. I never get these curls. This is so pretty. I'm gonna do my whole head, okay. Also, just super curious, do you guys have a TikTok? Comment below. If you do, cool. If you don't, tell me why. TikTok is not just for like people that are really cringily dancing on your feed. If you just search things that you actually want to see, like art, start getting recommended a bunch of art. But then if you're looking at all these cringy dances, then yeah. I don't feel comfortable with little girls moving their hips like that. But I love this. This is so pretty. You don't get like those curls up here that are just ugly. You get more like these loose waves. I'm gonna finish the entire head. Okay, wait, does it look good or am I just in my own head? Comment down below. I think once it falls out a little bit, this is what I pay like $120 for. This looks good. I could do this myself. Okay. I'm having a little bit of trouble with this side though. I have to flip it. So you go like that, you go like that. Don't want to get burned. You go like that. Yep. What am I doing? It gets a little more complicated, people. On the other side, flip the thing around. That makes it a lot better. Oh my god. This is the final look. It literally looks like I got a blowout. Hello, I just did this at home with this. This is definitely a whoop in my book. Let me know if you try this out. I'm definitely gonna be doing it more, and you know what it is? I also feel like this one's gonna last so much longer because whenever I used a flat iron, my hair lasts longer. So you could already just, oh my god, it's just so bouncy and pretty and awesome. If you'd like to see a part 2 to this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what other TikTok life hacks you would like me to test out. Comment below how you're doing during this whole quarantine thing. Are you hanging in there? I hope you are. If not, check out my Instagram for more positive things, or my vlog channel, either one. If you're not already subscribe, hit that bell. I love you. I want to hug you, and I'll see you over on the talks, or maybe in the next video. Bye.